How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, check if it works for you. If not, head over to your settings, scroll below to apps, and search for Snapchat. As you do so, head over to storage and clear the cache. Now tap on clear data. Also be noted that if you clear Snapchat data, it will delete all your snaps and chats, all your login history, and your settings. If you would still like to continue, then tap on delete. Now come back to app info page and tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now see if it works for you. If not, just reinstall your application after you uninstall it. Long tap onto it and tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK. As you do so, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.